Welcome back. It's now time for the business day. The JC index advanced by 3,266 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 13 points. Among today's winners were Productive Business Solutions, Supreme Ventures, Jetcon Corporation, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Sterling Investments US dollar shares. While on the losing side were Blue Power Group, Kingston Properties, Mayberry Investments, Kingston Wharves, and Radio Jamaica. $155.19 is the average selling rate for the U.S. currency. $123.61 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $202.58 for the pound, and $170.87 for the euro. Concern this evening from the Jamaica Public Service Company JPS that Jamaica could suffer if oil supplies tighten as a result of the Ukraine-Russia crisis. JPS's CEO Michel Gantois addressed the issue at a forum today. Javon Keys reports.
Jamaica and other small states could get left behind in the worst-case scenario if there's further tightening of global energy supplies due to the Ukraine-Russia crisis. President and CEO of the Jamaica Public Service, JPS, Mr. Michel Gantois, says larger economies could outbid Jamaica for supplies.
This would create arbitrage opportunities for oil and gas suppliers who could divert supplies to richer markets to the detriment of markets like Jamaica. These shocks may not even be temporary. The EU plans to reduce its dependence on Russian gas by 2/3. It's a huge volume. They may therefore tap LNG markets from suppliers that normally provide gas to countries like Jamaica.
Mr. Gantois says JPS's suppliers New Fortress Energy and Petrojam are so far confident their liquefied natural gas LNG and oil supplies are not yet under threat. He says, however, that if things become worse, contracts could be a false sense of security when countries demanding larger supplies come into play. He's encouraging the government and local fuel suppliers to secure existing supplies and identify alternative sources. The CEO also says commercial and industrial customers should consider investing in projects and assets that use less energy. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
That's it for the Business Day. Up next, we have regional and international stories.